Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. My name's Alan and I will be your tour guide this afternoon to show you through our new Grady-White Canyon 336. We'll go over some of the options we brought this boat in with. We'll take a walk through the boat. We'll give you a good look at her. As you can see, 300 Yamaha outboards. Boat does have underwater lights, Bennett trim tabs. Boat is a joystick boat by the lights in the back. Does have the walk-through transom door. You probably can't tell from the sun, but it is a light gray hull. It is a full hull in light gray all the way underneath. We did the underside of the hard top to match. Boat does have a boarding door in the side. Pretty stunning color on this boat. You will like it in person. You can see it's a full wraparound windshield. Boat does have outriggers, speakers in the hard top. See the LED running lights on the side of the hard top. LED light forward in the hard top. Boat does have a windlass. The anchor's not on it yet. Let's climb up inside. Take a walk through this boat. As we climb up inside the 33 Grady, I'll point out some features. This is the boarding door on the side. There's a ladder that goes in it. Boat does have a diesel generator. There's a diesel fill in the back. Large fish box across the back. Live well. Aft seat. Better look at our walk-through transom door. Pop-up cleats. Drink holders, rod holders everywhere. 5 across the back behind the helm seats. 4 up top. This boat does have the sunshade on top. Very nice. You can see the LED lights on the back of the hard top. We mentioned the ones on the front earlier. Fusion speakers. Another live well. Cutting board. Sink. Storage. Rattling off a lot on this boat. Boat has a lot of features. There is a freshwater wash down here, and there's also one over here on the back. There's your ladder. Once again, 300s. You're not going to lack for speed. 3 seats across with bolsters, fully adjustable with armrests. I'll try to stay out of the shadows. Tilt wheel. Yamaha Helm Master Control. Push button start with all start, which is a nice feature. Air conditioning at the helm. Fusion stereo. Yamaha gauges. Simrad. GPS. Overhead storage box. Life jacket holder. Storage underneath. Footrest that pops down. It is a full head with your electronics backing panel. A bed forward where I have the cushions. Still a little cold here in end of March, beginning of April. Seat, teak and holly floor. Rod storage. Your macerator. Overboard pump out. Very well done. As we come forward, wash down forward. Lounge area, everything pulls up in the air and goes away. Walk forward to your windlass. Windlass controls on the top. More Fusion stereo speakers. Backrests. More cup holders. Boat does have a heavy-duty windshield wiper. Heavy-duty windshield. Rod holders forward, cup holders forward. Boat is very well thought out for a fishing boat. If you're in the market for a big Grady, this boat's worth a look. Right next to it, you'll see the 306. 28. Once again, this is the 2020 336 Grady-White Fisherman. Please give us a call or stop in and see us anytime at Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Thank you.